on the seatbelt sign, starting approach into Munich airport, remaining flight of approximately 20 minutes. Because of the windy weather situation, we're doing the cabin check right now, so that also the cabin is on their safe seats right on time. So please store your electronic devices. Lufthansa Starlines geflogen sind. Seien Sie bitte gleich vorsichtig, wenn Sie die Gepäckfächer öffnen, dass Ihnen dabei nichts herausfällt. Und überprüfen Sie unbedingt noch einmal Ihre Sitztaschen, dass Sie all Ihre persönlichen Gegenstände eingesteckt haben. Denken Sie an Ihre Reisepässe, Smartphones oder Your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has reached its final parking position here in Munich Airport and the fasten seatbelt signs will be switched off. The entire crew, we would like to say goodbye to you now. Thank you for having chosen Lufthansa Starlines for your flight this station by your side. Wir wünschen alle eine gute Weiterreise. We wish everybody a safe onward trip.
Yeah. And we got off in Munich. That one's the plane. Bye bye.